Welcome to the channel, dear friends. I want you to know one thing, there is always a way out. Even when it feels like your Samsung is completely locked by the Google verification screen and you've already tried everything. I truly understand how you feel because not long ago, I was in exactly the same situation myself. I was stuck, just like you, and had no idea what to do. I had to roll up my sleeves and refuse to give up. I spent a lot of time, but eventually I found a solution. I bypassed the FRP lock. And today, I want to share this method with you so you can escape this trap too. If something goes wrong during the process, don't panic, leave a comment and I'll try to help. I completely understand that not everyone here is an advanced user. My method is designed specifically for ordinary phone owners who don't have special technical knowledge. Yes, I know the situation is especially frustrating because you're dealing with Android 16. Older Android versions had many tricks for bypassing FRP directly from the phone itself. People used methods like TalkBack or Google Keyboard. But on Android 16, those old tricks no longer work. Please don't waste your time trying them. The biggest obstacle is Google's security system. It prevents apps installed outside the Play Store from getting the permissions they need. That completely killed most of the old bypass methods. But I found a new path. I used the free Chinese AI called DeepSeek. Why DeepSeek? Because other AI systems, like ChatGPT, refuse to provide instructions related to FRP bypass. They simply won't help with that. But DeepSeek did. I asked it, how can I bypass FRP on my Samsung, and included my phone model. It suggested several methods. I picked the one that seemed the simplest and most reliable. Then I asked DeepSeek to give me a step-by-step guide. It explained everything in detail. After that, I simply followed the instructions. Whenever I got stuck at a certain step, I took a photo of the screen, uploaded it to DeepSeek, and it instantly suggested a solution. It was incredibly convenient. I could have recorded a full tutorial video showing exactly what I did, but there's a reason I don't. A method that works today may become useless next month. Samsung closes loopholes very quickly. But DeepSeek will always know the latest working method because it constantly learns new information. And you know what, using the same DeepSeek, I even managed to fix my old iPhone. A repair shop told me, throw it away. But I repaired it myself. Thank you for watching, and remember, I'm always happy